Hi there guys, it's Easy Fix FX back at you again, currently in a live trade, nearly at $7,000 profits. My equity is now sitting at nearly 65,000 from the last time I showed you. It's a buy on gold at 5 lots. I'm not stressed at all. My stop losses is currently above entry, well into profits. As you can see guys, live account as always. So yeah guys, I've held this trade since yesterday. I've held it since yesterday. I'm probably going to close it out quite soon. I'm using my Easy Fix FX stochastic. As you can see, this is one of the indicators and strategies that I give to you in my course, that I offer in my course. It's a really handy indicator. As you can see, it's telling us to get out the trade because it looks like it's telling us the price is going to drop. I could have got into this trade a lot earlier, but I got into it a bit late. I was just busy with something, but I wanted to take a trade. I wanted to make some profits, but I got in here a bit late. I should have actually got in here where the stochastic changed from red to green. But we combine it with a few other elements that you guys need to know. It's not, you don't just use the stochastic by itself. You need to combine it with a few other little things, important things. So yeah, guys, it's quite a massive trade that I'm in. Let me just check now. You know, if you look at the stochastic, if you got into a trade earlier today at the start of the session, we could have got in here when the stochastic came above the 30 level, changed from red to green. We could have got into a nice scalp over here even. But currently, let me just check, running at over 100 pips old. So that's quite nice. It's quite a huge trade. This trade would have got us about 73, 74 pips. Price is currently at the 1868 level. The price is hovering around 6,000 and 7,000, but the stochastic is telling us to get out. This is a really handy stochastic that I had coded for myself, specifically for my strategies and things like that. As you can see, we're currently at this resistance level. We're coming up, it's bounced off this resistance level quite a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're coming off that fourth bounce. We're at the 1869 level, 1868, 1869 level. I'm probably going to close out pretty soon. I'm quite happy with these profits, to be honest. But yeah, guys, if you want to learn and if you want to know my strategies and understand how I trade and how I find these sniper entries and get into trades, even beginners can use this strategy. I've thrown this into my course to help beginners. My other strategy is more for intermediate to advanced traders, but I've thrown this one in so that even beginners can quite easily start making profits. I just want to see if price will break this level. I'm not sure if it will, but if it does, I might hold the trade slightly longer. But our stochastic is definitely telling us that price is going to drop. So yeah, I'm probably looking at getting out pretty soon. Just want to see what happens, guys, in the next 5 minutes or so. But yeah, guys, it's all included in the course. I want to help you guys out, teach you guys how to trade. I don't want you guys to battle like I did for 2 years. I'm giving you all the methods, all the strategies, the whole trading plan, everything all jam-packed into one course. You can literally start making profits the next day with the system and all the information that I give you. So if you want to take your trading to the next level, guys, just click the link below. Let me just see if this is going to, it looks like it's going to break this level. But our stochastic is telling us it's going to drop. I really doubt it's going to break that level. Stochastics, just waiting for the stochastic to drop below into the 70, just below the 70 zone. But you have to combine this indicator with a few other things. But I explain all of that in the actual course. Yeah, guys. But anyway, hope you guys have a good weekend. This is probably gonna be my last trade of the week, to be honest. So I don't look for up. At the most, I take about 3 trades a week. I used to trade. I teach you guys how to trade every 5 days a week, but I basically take about 2 or 3 trades a week. I'm more than happy with that. Literally every trade that I take is a win because of the systems and the methods that I use, which I'll teach you guys. At 90% win rates. If you take a loss, it's going to be a very minute, tiny loss. You don't have to stress. Hi guys, I'm just showing you I got back in now into the trade again. I'm just showing you the power of this stochastic. As you can see, it's dropped below the 70 level. As I said before, look what it's doing now. The price is dropping. I got out a bit late. I held the trade a bit too long earlier, so I got out at just over $6,000 profit. So I'm just looking now to make a bit of those profits back. I'll probably close out at about $2,000, $1,500 or $2,000. Currently sitting at $1,000. Yeah, guys, look how powerful this stochastic is. Even beginners, anyone can use this. But you got to combine it with a few other things, as I teach in my course. But as you can see, guys, the market makers went on a liquidity grab, which is basically a stop hunt, and now they're shifting the market downwards. But I'm pretty much sure it's going to come down to at least this level over here, this 1864, 1865 level. I'm wondering if I should close now. I don't know now. I'll just wait. I'll let this candle close and then I'll see what happens. Price is definitely not going above that zone, I can tell you that. The market makers are probably pushing the price down, doing a fake move before the start of the euro market. The price is most likely just going to shift up. The price has been in a heavy uptrend the past few days. But I'm pretty sure it's going to reach this zone that I've marked out. But yeah, guys, if you want to learn and use these powerful strategies and systems that I have for you, that I've got on offer, just click the link below and you can have it all while it's on offer, guys. I'm not sure how long I'm going to be doing this for. I don't really need to be doing this, but if you want it there, okay, it's going to be there for now. It's going to be down there for now. If you want to be profitable as a beginner, then go for it, guys. It's all there for you. As you can see, live account, guys, always live accounts. I'm not showing you guys demo profits, but I just want to help a few people out. There, guys, I'm out of the trade. I got out at about $2,500. So I made back my profits that I lost earlier. As you can see, just look at the power of the stochastic, guys. You can see it drop below the 70 zone, and look how far price dropped. The market makers went on a liquidity grab just above that resistance zone that I was showing you earlier. But it reached the 1860 price level. This zone over here, this support zone right over here, where price keeps bouncing. As you can see now, it's bouncing up, and the stochastic is showing us that it's overbought. But I'm pretty sure it's going to drop through this level. So I made about 65 pips or so on that trade. I'm very happy with those profits. So I'm pretty much done for the week.